Hello there, this is Bea. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Speak. Today we are going to the garden. Do you like gardening? Do you have a garden at home? Well, as always, first I am teaching you some vocabulary. From the garden, of course. Do you know the name of the things in the garden? I'm gonna show you pictures and you have to say what thing you can see in the picture. But before we start, let's check the homework I gave you in the previous video. I hope you watched it. Well, let's see the homework. It was couch potato. Is this a couch potato? It has a very similar color to potato, but let's see the meaning. Number 1 is the name of a recipe. Number 2, a person who takes little or no exercise and watches a lot of television. Number 3, a type of furniture. Of course, couch potato is a person. Okay? Is a person who is very lazy and keeps sitting on the sofa and just watching TV. Are you a couch potato? Do you know anybody who is a couch potato? Let's start the vocabulary of the garden. So I'm gonna show you the pictures and please say the name of the things on loud. Let's start! What is this? It's a watering can. Repeat the word after me. Watering can. What's this? It's a fence. Fence. What are these? Plant pots. How about this one? It's a bucket. Bucket. What is this? A shower. What is this? A rake. A rake. What is this machine? It's a lawnmower. It's a lawnmower. What is this? Grass. What is this thing? Hedge. Hedge. When there is only one, it's called bush, but when they are together and they stand like a fence can be, then it's called hedge. What is this? It's a hose, not house. This is hose. Well, they were not so difficult, right? And now let me teach you something very interesting. I haven't a dog. If you think that that's a correct answer, then you obviously must keep watching this video because that's a very big mistake. Let me show you why. So when you say have in positive sentences, only have, you say I have, he has, she has, it has, we, you, they have. In negative sentence, you must use do or does in negative. Okay? So you cannot say haven't. You have to say I don't have. He, she, it doesn't have. Or we, you, they don't have. The only option when you can say haven't, when you use have with got. I have got. He, she, it has got. We, you, they have got. So in negative you can say I haven't got, he, she, it hasn't got, or we, you, they haven't got. So if you don't have a dog, what you say? I don't have a dog, or I haven't got a dog. Okay? You can say any of them, there is no difference. It's okay to say this or that, but don't mix them together because that's a mistake. Okay? Let's practice a little bit. Turn the sentences into negative. Take a pencil and a piece of paper and write down the answers. Let's see. Was it difficult? Let's see the correct answers. I haven't got a dog. She hasn't got black hair. You don't have a shower. We haven't got a blue car. He doesn't have a bike. It doesn't have 100 calories. They haven't got a piano. So now you know how to avoid this mistake, and you will sound much better. Here we finish today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe, because it means a lot to me. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye!